In the age of online news, this newspaper stand in Peshawar is still doing brisk business. It's one of hundreds of outlets selling alternative publications with a radical Islamist slant on world affairs. Last December, religious extremists exacted a heavy toll when Taliban militants massacred 150 schoolchildren and teachers in Peshawar. In response, Islamabad announced a comprehensive national counterterrorism plan. Key provisions promise to take strict action against publications promoting extremism and violence. But university student Mohammed Ismail is still a regular reader of extremist publications. He follows the writings of a firebrand cleric who advocates holy war.
शादी के कलम से खास पोर्शन दे आगे के ताता न्यूज़ बारे के लगा अफगानिस्तान कश्मीर फ़लस्तीन दे बारे के हफ्तावार ताता न्यूज़ राजी.
This monthly, titled Sharia, has detailed coverage of the Taliban insurgency in neighboring Afghanistan, written in Urdu for Pakistani readers. This front page presents an open letter from the Taliban Council to the head of the Islamic State militant group. It also warns against the spread of Christianity in Afghanistan. Faizullah Jan, a journalism professor at Peshawar University, says extremist publications are successfully spreading their ideology.
طالب وجلې کېږي خو د طالب سوچ چې کوم دی که نه هغې ته وده ورکړی کېږي هغه شیز ته هېڅ نه ویلی کېږي بلکې هغې ته لار ورکړی کېږي هغه هم هغې وباسي ضرب المؤمن اسلام قلو د افغانستان د طالبانو.
John says these jihadist publications are having a real impact. To prove his point, he reads a quote in Pakistan's mainstream Dawn newspaper.
I have been an avid reader of Al-Qalam and Zarb Moment for the last 12 years. After reading these newspapers, I made up my mind to send my son for jihad.
This vendor, named Asanullah, says the jihadist newspapers and magazines he sells appeal to particular demographics.
زیات زینو کې لکه اوس کم زمون دی خوا ډیفنس دغه سیر شون دی خوا دونه د اسلامي اخبارونه نه لګي خو کم زمون کلو سیر چې دی کنه کلو سیر ته دغه د زمون د اسلامي اخبارونه ډیر زیات لګي خلک یې خوښي لیډیز هم خوښي زیات او پسې بیا 40-50 سال عمر کم کسان چې هغوی هم خوښي.
Radical groups behind these publications are working to change that. Faizullah Jan says they are now targeting younger audiences. With their magazines and newspapers readily available on newsstands, their influence could grow.